How's it going today, everybody, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Do you have a Ford F-Series pickup truck with one of these key fobs and a push button start, and against your better judgment you've been ignoring the battery low warning on your instrument cluster for quite some time, and now all of a sudden you go to get in your truck, none of the buttons are working? You're concerned you're not going to be able to get in your truck, but with a push button start, are you going to be able to start it? Well, all hope's not lost. I'm going to show you what you can do to get into your vehicle and get it started. Here we go. So first step is you gotta get that door unlocked. If you look on the right side of the driver's side door handle, you can see there's the old-fashioned lock. But where do you get the key? Well, that's easy. See this button here? Press that, and there's a key. Now you just simply put it in the door lock, and it opens just like an old-fashioned door. And once you get in, a lot of the vehicles be chiming a warning to start your vehicle, or else the alarm will go off. Now this little key is not going to do you any good when you got push button start. So now you got to find a spot where you can put this fob that the truck is going to read it. Now a lot of the higher trim level trucks, Super Duties, stuff like that, you're going to have a full console. There's a few different spots for those. If you have the console with a little storage compartment up front, you can open that up, take the rubber mat out, and there'll be a little key fob size hole underneath it. You can put that in there, press start, and it'll start it up. Or some of the Super Duties with a console, you have a cover more towards the driver's side. You can pull a rubber mat up, you could have the hole for the key fob there. Or if you've got the console shifter, a lot of times pull up the rubber mat, your cup holder, and the hole for the fob could be there. But what if you got the bench seat with a fold down console like this style? Where's the spot to put your fob there? You know, you don't have the cubby there on the console, or on the armrest, or in the cup holder. Well, on these ones, flip your seat up. There's a little storage compartment underneath here. Lift that up. And if you look into the back, that is the compartment that you want to put your key fob. So simply drop your key fob in there. And you're off and running. Now it's best to find out where key fob will go before your alarm starts blaring. So maybe take the time in advance and find out where it goes. Now, my suggestion is, first thing you want to do is go to the hardware store, go to the dealer, go anywhere, get yourself a fresh battery for your key fob. Well, I hope you found this video helpful and informative. And I definitely hope it helps someone save a tow bill and the cost of getting your truck to the dealer and getting them to do all this for you. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button, notification bell in the bottom right hand corner. That way you get notified when we get new videos coming out. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night, and thanks for watching.